on, guys? It's Tony here. It's Friday, August 31st, and I am on my annual Arkansas trip. But this year it's going to be even better because I'm going to stop by North Louisiana and see my daughter and my sister and hang out with them for a weekend before I head up to Arkansas to fish a tournament. Always looking forward to seeing my good friend up there in Arkansas who's letting me stay at his house, who just happened to be close to 30 minutes away from where I'll be fishing the KBF tournament. So it works out really good. He's gonna let me borrow his Hobie and we're gonna get after it. It's gonna be a fun trip for me, and hopefully I can present it in a way that it's enjoyable for you guys too. So y'all stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, that's it. All right, guys, it's that time. It is, what is today, Tuesday? Tuesday, September 4th. And the weekend has passed and it is time for the river fishing trip. I made it in to Chad's house. We've been preparing for today's trip, making sandwiches, goofing around with a bunch of camera equipment. We're gonna hook y'all up today. Check, we bring in all kinds. Well, actually, we're probably not bringing all that, but we're gonna make it happen. Ain't that right, Daddy?
We're gonna do what we can.
Yeah, every year I usually come down here and visit Chad, and we do a river float and fish and catch smallmouth. I got a couple of videos already up on YouTube. You guys go check them out. I'll put a link down below. But today we're doing something just a little bit different. We're going to the Indian River.
Indian Creek.
Indian Creek. We usually catch a lot of numbers of fish, but coming across a good sized smallmouth sometimes is hard. We're going to get them. Yeah, buddy. Did you bring a basketball, man? Basketball go. Alright guys, we just made it. There's the river behind me. I don't know if I can get it to focus. There it is. We about to do it. We about to do it. Alright guys, tiny smallmouth, but a smallmouth. Calco's fishing. It's the only way to do it. Goes right on, click that sucker on, throw it in the water. Your hog trough ready. Take him back out. Get it off. Click, 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 click. Get a bunch of pictures. Take him back off.
Show them to the camera one time.
Yeah. Throw them back in. Then you check your camera. Make sure you got good pictures. Then take them off. Let them go. No more puncturing them fish.
Right on.
No more.
Fish in the boat. Oh.
No, you ain't got one there. Big one? Yeah, yeah. Smallmouth, but he's foul hook. Oh no, he's not. He just had the line wrapped up. It's a better one. Well, we were nearing the end of our trip, and we had one last shoot to go that Chad was unfamiliar with. And since I had so much camera gear and fishing gear, I didn't want to risk it, and we just slowly walked through there. Chad guided us through by going first. Chad was an awesome guide, put me on a lot of fish. I can't thank him enough for making this trip possible. You guys stay tuned. I have a whole nother day of this type of fishing. Beautiful scenery, beautiful fish, a heck of a good time. You guys stay tuned for part 2. It's going to be a good one. Come on. I look goofy with this camera on my head.
No, you don't. You look like a fisherman. Yes. That's what we came for, Tony. Oh, man, you ain't goofy, man.